We begin right now at 5 o'clock with breaking news. Coronavirus concerns are heating up here in Connecticut. Good evening and thanks for joining us on this Wednesday. I'm Dennis House. We've yet to see any confirmed cases here yet, but Governor Lamont and state health officials just announced we need to be ready. Channel 3 eyewitness news reporter Roger Susanna is live inside the Emergency Operations Center at the O'Neill State Armory with some key information. I know, Roger, we just watched what the governor had to say, but what else can you tell us?
Yeah, Dennis, the first thing that the governor stressed, of course, as you mentioned, there have been no confirmed cases of coronavirus here in Connecticut, but he just met with leaders of multiple state agencies because he says at this point they really need to prepare for the worst just in case. And as I mentioned, just before this press briefing, Lamont met with leaders of a long list of Connecticut agencies who are preparing to keep Connecticut as safe as possible from the coronavirus. Now, Lamont says the big key is making sure our hospitals and other healthcare facilities have enough support and supplies to deal with a possible outbreak. Now, again, it's important to note that out of 80,000 confirmed corona cases around the world, there only has been one positive test in New England and none here in Connecticut. But the governor and the state's epidemiologist say the CDC is warning emergency responders and healthcare officials that the virus could be coming to our shores in a more aggressive way. Hospital leaders also spoke briefly this afternoon, saying they expect corona cases to eventually arrive in Connecticut, but they want the public to know they are prepared to deal with these patients and treat these patients, and they've again been preparing for a possible pandemic. So again, they're really prepared for the worst. Now, there is growing concern right now through the state's epidemiologist community that at this point there's no corona vaccine, and there won't be one for at least a year. There's also no currently approved medication that can treat the virus. But Governor Lamont says the state is dealing with every development as it happens, and Connecticut will not be caught flat-footed.
Look, but there's been one infection here in New England so far, none in the state of Connecticut. This is not a call to make you nervous. It's a call to give you confidence that we're ready for what's going forward here. Give you confidence that we've got the best people here in the state of Connecticut who have been on this, not just today, but for weeks going forward.
And the state is also urging anyone with any questions about the coronavirus to go to ct.gov. They have prepared a full list about how people can protect themselves against this virus. They also have information about what the state is doing right now. Reporting live in Hartford right now, I'm Roger Susanna, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.